Today we're going to check out these bad boys that came with the stock KX450X. They're called DFI connectors for a digital fuel injection. They more or less mess with the timing so you can get different power settings out of the bike. You have a black one, a white one, and a green one. The white one, as you can see on here, is soft. The green is standard and the black is hard. I believe the black one was on it when I got the bike. I just broke the bike in on it. I didn't really mess with it much. I haven't really messed with the rest of the connectors. I just kind of put the green one on, and that's what I've been running. So today we're going to see if we can notice the difference. I'll show you where they connect on the bike. I'd prefer if there is something up here that I can just change settings with, but maybe that's something for the future. But you can see you can just change them by hand right there pretty easy. So let's go take a ride and see how they do. Alright, so it's a pretty cold winter day, at least for Nevada standards. It's probably 40 degrees right now. It's been really cold lately. I mean, we're sitting here at I think like 2:30 in the afternoon. So it's been a while since I've ridden, maybe well over a month. It's just been getting so dark so quick, and then by the time I get home from work it's already, too dark to ride. So it's nice I at least get a little bit of time to go get a quick ride in for a run of daylight. So I'm just sitting on the soft one right now, just kind of cruising. We'll get up here and try a start, get on the power and see how it does. But the way I'm riding right now, I'm not really getting any real difference from the mid-power one. It's kind of a pain in the ass to go past earlier when it was all full of water, but not too bad now. Get on power a little bit. It still pulls pretty hard. It's not really a massive difference. Let's see, I think this trail over here, yeah. And it feels good to ride again. It's not good, don't ride it for over a month. That's not very good stress management. Amidst the sights, sounds, the smell of fuel or exhaust burning. I'm trying to chew up this guy's stuff right here. Well, so far the dirt's kind of nice. I mean, it's still sand, but it's getting damp a little bit and freezing at night. It is 15 degrees when I got up this morning. We'll get up here and then get on the power some. Man, I really need to get the suspension done on this thing. Just kind of picking our way through here, not going terribly fast. Don't expect to see many other people out here today. Now, is it just me? But I've been noticing a big decline in the amount of people riding the last probably 3 years. Like, I come out to a place like this, I rarely run into anybody anymore. I don't know if it's just since COVID or what. Alright, let's try to get on the power. It's gonna do a second gear start. They're getting a little bit too much wheel spin right there. I mean, that's soft. This still pulls hard. Let's take this way over here. Whoa! That was definitely the closest I've come to dropping this thing since I got it. Well, maybe I should take it easy if I haven't ridden for a while. I thought it was going down on that one. This tire's holding up pretty good. I got about 17 hours on the bike now. Mostly sand, so it doesn't chew it up that quick, but maybe when I stop and take a look at it. But it's whatever that stock tire was on this thing, which I like it. It hooks up pretty good. Maybe not so good right now, or maybe my throttle control is just off some. Yeah, I don't see anybody out here. We'll get up here and then I'll change that connector out and go back for the mid one. Let's pick our way through here first. Yeah, I don't know. I was up that corner, man. That was a pretty stupid mistake, or whatever the hell I did on that one. Suspension is way too soft for me. I'm wearing these climb gloves because it's kind of cold there for snowmobiling. They work good, but man, I get arm pump quick with them. I think it's because they're more stiff. Let's take it easy around this corner. Well, let me swap the connector out and see how we do on the next one. Let me get a look at that tire. Still got a lot of meat on it. Like I said, it's been mostly sand. I've ridden through some rocks, but it's holding up pretty good. I mean, we got, let's see how many hours we have on the bike now. So 17.3, so that's pretty good. I've chewed up tires way quicker than that. But let's give this other connector a shot and see how that one feels. See if we can find some flat ground, do another start. That other one, I don't know, man. What was up with that? There's so much wheel spin. My throttle control is not on par today. Okay, let's give it a shot here. Let's turn our music up. Okay. So this is the one I've been running mostly, so I'm pretty used to it. Let's see, let's find a good spot up here. Yeah, I don't know, man. My center of gravity is off today. Clear right, clear left. Alright, it gets pretty smooth right here. Let's give this one a shot. We'll do second gear again. Okay. It pulls a little harder, not that much though. I mean, it's not a massive difference, at least on this kind of terrain. That was 67.5 miles an hour. So we'll head back up here, see if we can find this little sand wash and run up that one way, and then I'll swap connectors and then run it backwards. Lots of dairies here around Fallon. Yeah, even on the weekend, you know, the only people I ever see anymore really are people on side-by-sides. The amount of dirt bikes has really dwindled. Same with quads. It's kind of a cool house here. I don't know if you can make out that big cage they have for birds or whatever they have in there. That's pretty cool. Or I saw a rabbit running in there. This house always has a couple German Shepherds that are outside like 24/7, and they love to chase dirt bikes. So let's see if they're out today. All's up, there they are right there, both of them waiting for you already. We won't make them too mad. Yeah, sand wash just back in here a little bit. Set pole's pretty good. 73.8. Sand is so much fun in the right conditions. Pretty soft right there. Still gotta be careful going through here. You can find somebody coming the other way. Make sure nobody put wires up here. I've done that before. Hit a fence somebody put up in places I've already ridden. Yeah, this setting is perfect for at least this stuff. Don't want to come in too hot around here. Doesn't look like anybody's ridden this lately. Good kind of second and third gear wash. Still kind of take it easy through here. Yeah, I'm definitely off today. Get those days every once in a while. Yeah, make sure there's nothing in here. Let's plow through them. This bike's great for things like hair scrambles. Gotta watch the side trails. Make sure there's nobody else coming. May not look like it. This sand's actually pretty deep. Well, let's get down here and change out that connector and then run it backwards. Let's get a couple more turns in. Make sure there's nobody over there. Alright, so let's change this connector out real quick. Here, turn the music down so I can think. So you gotta pop that little baby off when your hands aren't cold or your arms aren't smoked from riding. And then this one, I kind of lift it up a little bit and then push that back. So you kind of need a screwdriver to do it. It'd probably be pretty hard without one. And then let's throw in the black one. So we'll just throw that sucker on there and put that away. Get the click. Put that other one in. Click and ready to go. Alright, let's go ahead and run it backwards. Ah, that electric start's nice. So let's see, I don't know if you can see on camera, but it's up here, not as bad as it is down there, but it's damp, so It's pretty good for riding, but you can see right there how it kind of turns like beach sand. We're like right here. Just got to kind of lug it. So we're on the aggressive 70 now, and in neutral. That's not good. So let's get up here and start kicking it up a notch. That definitely pulls harder. That was, you know, just second gear. Here, we'll get a pull right here. Let's do a start. It's pretty soft stuff starting though. Alright, so it pulls pretty hard. I say the green one's my favorite so far. I'm not that aggressive of a rider. I usually like to try to lug it if I can. Barely even need brakes for some of the stuff. It's so soft. I bet you probably notice it more in like motocross tracks. But off road, it's usually not. You know, it's best to always be full throttle. Man, the stuff is squirrely. And watch, nobody's coming through here. It's a lot more deceptive coming the other way. It'd be easy to come in a corner way too hot and all of a sudden somebody's right there. Yeah, the green one's definitely the best overall. And like I said before, I really like the gearing in this bike, so from their testing, I think it's really good trade-off for everything that they did. Overall, I'd say it's not a massive difference. It's pretty subtle. The average person probably wouldn't even realize it. So for those of you that are, you know, wanting to buy a 450 and pull more power out of it, I'll say you don't need to. If you want different power, just gear it a little bit different, but save yourself a lot of money. The exhaust, I can't really see if I need to change the exhaust. It sounds good, but if you want something loud, then, you know. Alright. So my last bike was a 2015 KX450X. This thing I think pulls harder on the top, even though it's geared a little bit lower. So whatever they did different with the engine. But anyway, that's at least kind of my opinions of those DFI connectors. Pretty subtle, but I think I'll probably just throw the green one on and just stay on that one. So yeah, hopefully you get to ride again here in the future, and when it warms up we'll do some more KLR rides. Alright, so see you on the next one.